Welcome to this tutorial on how to make French curly braids, one of the most trending protective hairstyle, French curly braids, right? So first of all, you have to prep your hair, make sure you wash it neatly and part it. At this point, I'm actually making my box braid right now. So I want to make the box braid such that I will not attach the hair extension to the ends of my natural hair braids that I just made, right? So for this particular tutorial, I am braiding my hair, as you can see right now. I didn't finish the braids, right? I just braided it up to a point, as you can see here, that I've done, and then I'll attach the French curly braids. I'm using my Lush hair extension, the curly braids from Lush hair. So braiding this hair took me a while, but I had to just finish it at some point, and then I had to go ahead to make my boho braids. Some people call it knotless braids, so whichever one you choose to call it, that's still fine. So here I'm done, and this is the Lush curly braid that I'm using right now. This Lush curly braid has the longer one, the longest one. This is the short one. So if you want to attach your Lush curly braids to the extension, rather, to your natural hair braid, you have to, there are several ways of doing it anyway. So but for now, I'm just attaching it and then leaving one of the ends and braiding my hair together. So just watch what I'm doing here. I tried as much as possible to show it, even though at some point my camera couldn't capture it, and I apologize for that. So here you can see that I left out part of it. You can decide to also crochet your Lush curly braids to the hair if you don't want to just braid it and leave one end, like I said initially, right? So whichever one works for you, that's totally fine, as long as you're able to achieve your French curly braids with your hair extension by the side, just to give it that little beauty, so that it gives this tangling, coily effect, you know, and makes it just look beautiful. So yeah, that's what I did here. So try it out and let me know what you think. Do you prefer using crochet to your curly braids to your hair, to your braided hair, or you prefer to just braid it like I'm doing here and leave one of the ends? So this is what it looks like, and then finally I was able to achieve this. So the video that I had for the YouTube, this thing was not that good, so I had to make do with a phone. Yeah, this hair really gave me a tough time because it was really difficult to finish, but at some point I had to finish it. So tell me what you think about it. This is the full length of the hair, and I think I like it. Nice. It really gave this beautiful look. And you know, but how do you tame what's grown wild from pain? So yeah, let me know what you think about this video. Like if this tangles in my hair, every twist across to bear, haunted by the silence braided deep in